Hello everyone, my name's Bob and this is my son Hunter.
Hi.
And we're here at Pokagon State Park. They have a toboggan run here, so we decided we wanted to come try the toboggan run. We just set up camp. It's December 20th and 5 days till Christmas. And it's about 37 right now and it's supposed to get down to 21 tonight. We'll be nice and toasty warm in here. We're hooked up to electricity and so I've got an electric heater running tonight. But we're just finishing some Lunchables, and we've got the elf with us. And as soon as we finish these Lunchables, we're going to go out and take a look at this toboggan run and see what it's all about. But Hunter, what's this guy's name?
Timmy.
Timmy? Yeah. Is he the one you can touch, or is he the one you can't touch?
He's the one you can touch. He doesn't move.
Well, stay tuned. I think this is going to be a fun little video for you to watch, and I think we're going to have a good time filming it. All right, let's do this. Hunter, you excited?
Yes. Does it look like it?
Yeah, we got our toboggan. $18,000.
I'm kind of scared.
You're kind of scared? He'll be all right. I'm kind of scared about having to walk back up here. How's it going?
Pretty good.
This is our first time here.
All right. Well, you'll sit crisscross applesauce on the cushion for me. There you go. Perfect. Lift your arms up for me. And you'll scooch in close as possible. Wrap your legs around them, just like that. You'll hold on to the straps. You'll hold on to his ankles.
Here we go. Whee! All right, come on, we gotta get out. This way. What'd you think? What'd you think of that, dude?
It's scary.
That's fun, isn't it? That's a toboggan run.
It was kind of fun.
Kind of fun. It was a lot of fun.
It was, but my eyes kept getting blurry and it's hard for me to breathe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Hunter, your first time. We're all done. What do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Think we should come back here again sometime?
Mm-hmm.
Tell us what you think of the burger.
Has like a burnt aftertaste. It tastes good the first taste, but the aftertaste is kind of bad.
Well, there you have it from my toughest critic, but he's not wrong. It does have a burnt aftertaste to it. I guess burgers, I mean, it looks good, but I guess burgers over the open fire probably isn't the best way to go. I think that it absorbs a lot of the wood smell. I mean, I smoke meat and everything like that all the time, but this does have a little bit more of a burnt kind of aftertaste.
That good?
Yeah, a little bit more maybe. Well, I'll finish with the dinner and finish with our fire with our s'mores. Now you're playing some games.
Yep.
And we're sitting in the new bunks that we made. They're pretty comfy. We're both on this one, just for now. You can see I put a piece of metal on the wall to hang a magnetic light that I have. Might get a movie going here in a little bit. Well, it looks a little foggy and a little more bleaker than it did for deer camp. This actually looks more like a deer camp. It's 24, I think they said right now. Nice and toasty warm in here last night. We slept great. Got our accent lights on. Gotta get some coffee going. Gotta turn the propane on. I don't like to leave this on unless I'm actually using it for heat. Turn it off every night. I've got on-off valves inside, but just a little bit of peace of mind. We got this whole place to ourselves pretty much. There's only one other person staying in the whole campsite. Making some coffee in my French press today instead of the percolator, just so we can have some hot water here so that Hunter can have some hot chocolate. Got some bagels with some cream cheese. You gonna come eat?
Yeah.
Nothing like a hot beverage in this cold weather. Someone made a little fort. We used to make forts like this when we were a kid. Well, I think we're going to end our video right here. I hope you've enjoyed watching us go on the toboggan run here at Pokagon State Park. And had a good time watching the fire and watching us camp out. I know we had a good time, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.